Alienware Command Center provides users with a single interface to customize and enhance the gaming experience on Alienware systems. This control and customization software developed for Alienware and Dell G Series PCs has been built on a new architecture and redesigned with a new user interface and experience. Version 6.x features several performance presets, thermal controls, Alien FX lighting and peripheral settings customization, a versatile game library, and an in-game performance overlay. The improved user interface and experience helps gamers find what they need and make changes intuitively and easily. This brand new architecture provides more stability in the app for a simplified and easy updating experience. With performance presets, the user can select their desired preset based on what they are doing on the computer. When a game is launched, the custom preset will still be active, and the user will not be able to switch to other predefined presets. An additional multi-game mode performance setting is best for when multiple games are open. If a user previously selected the quiet preset for multi-game mode, Alienware Command Center will remember and activate it the next time multi-game mode is set. Automated experiences will change the performance preset to performance. These automated experiences can be turned on or off within the game title page or global settings. When an Alienware or Dell G Series laptop is plugged in or unplugged from power, the performance preset will automatically switch to the preset selected. As part of the new updated features, Alienware Command Center is now designed to automatically reflect the color scheme from the cover art of the game installed in Alien FX lighting. Users can also manually set the lighting for each game. The game library allows you to configure performance, lighting, and peripheral settings by game so you can customize your experience. This update is designed to automatically detect your games installed from popular game stores like Steam, Epic, Battle.net, Uplay, EA Play, and Microsoft Game Pass. Make sure to check out our other videos about Alienware Command Center 6.x, where we go into more detail about how to use each feature. For more information about the latest updates and all the features available, check out the user guide at this link. Thanks for watching.